Good day, guys. It's your boy Sebong Andasha speaking, and welcome to my YouTube channel again. And today we are gonna talk about the US 100 and US30. I know we talked about it last week, but today it's a new week, so we're gonna have to look at new ideas, new ways to tackle the markets. And I hope everyone had a splendid weekend ahead, as we had an heritage weekend. So let's not waste time, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment too. I really appreciate what you guys do when you do that, and it motivates me a lot. So let me not waste much of the time, and let's head to the chart and look at what's going to be happening actually this week. And let's look at our focus just for this week. So first of all, we're going to look at the US 100, and we still can see that price is in a downtrend. It's still flowing down, and while price is still flowing down, we're not gonna be looking for buys. We need to be looking for sells. We shouldn't be trading against the tide, or being away against the tide. So at this point now, I just saw that okay, the current structure of the market is going down. The price movement is going down. So I'm gonna uh, I'm gonna identify my support and resistance zones for me to make it clear enough that I can know and how to react when price reaches these certain points. I know last week I talked about price. I thought price was gonna come back around this area, but unfortunately, price chose to break down this point and come and make a retest, and then um, it moved impulsively to the downside. So this week I'm looking at this zone. We need to go, we need to adapt as things change. And I did mention that I'll be waiting for sales, I think last week. Even on this pair too now, this week I'll be also looking for sales because the major trend is downward. So I don't think I should be buying anytime soon, and I don't think you should also be buying anytime soon. So as you can see, I've managed to identify my support and resistance. So I'm going to explain a little bit what happened here, um, and what kind of patterns did I also manage to identify. So I'm going to switch to the 1 hour. The 1 hour is the time frame that I usually trade on. That's where I managed to get entries on, and other time frames too. So we can clearly see that what was happening here, price sort of managed to break out and come and retest this area. So let me just put a support here. As you can also see for yourself that it came and retested this area, meaning that there's a strong resistance here now, and you can see that price obeyed here. So you can also see that after the retest, we just went down, sort of consolidated, and went down and found new support on that. So now I'm waiting to sell actually on this pair. And whilst I'm waiting to sell, I'm waiting for price to come and play around this area, which is 104.87.5. I'm waiting for price to um, come and play around here, and then go short. If not, I'll wait. If I get stopped out, I know I've got my sell stop. Sorry, I got my stop loss. But I'm looking for sells when price reaches this area, and I'm looking to take profit around this area too, because I can see there's sort of a consolidate. I don't know what's happening here, but its price is sort of raging, as you can see for yourself. But nothing beats waiting. So basically, I am not trading now. I'm waiting for my setups. You don't need to always to be looking at the markets and stuff and trading always. You need to wait for your setup to play up. So this is what I'm gonna be looking at on the US 100. And for those who would like to know when I'll be selling and buying, I'm gonna leave a link down there for my Telegram channel where I send up setups, signals, and a WhatsApp group too, where we talk generally about the psychology and ways how you feel about the markets and stuff. We help each other psychologically. It's a group of me and my friends. So yeah, this is the US 100, and we don't know. You need to remember that the charts are something which we predict. Price can instantly go up and break these zones, but no matter what, but if price manages to break the zone, I'm looking for sell opportunities when it reaches here, because I believe this is a strong resistance area for me. So yeah, let me not waste much of your time again, and then let's go to the US30 now. And you can see the structure of the markets that price is still a long way to go up, but let's just be on um the waiting side, the patient side, which is why they call it waiting. um yeah, let's not waste much of your time. I can see that some of the things I'm talking now, they are really not gonna make sense. So let's not waste time, and let's go to the US30. The US30, this one too, they are also moving in, it's also moving in the downside, and probably it's this thing of the recession thing and inflation going up, the interest rates and stuff. You can also see that prices in a downtrend for now. We are making um, down movements. So I'm gonna identify my support zones and resistance zones too now, so that I know how to react when price reaches this point, and it makes me feel ready to it makes me feel ready on how I should react when price reaches these zones. So this one, I can say it's much similar as the US 100 too. With this one, let me clearly add this zone, because anything can happen. So with this one, you can see that price managed to break out this area, and we did not have a proper retest here. So I think price might come and test this area. I'm just gonna leave a note. Um, I'll write it down on my journal. So it's possible that price can come around here. As you can see, we just broke out and we failed to come. But anything can happen. So which is why I'm gonna be leaving. This is gonna be my first resistance. If price manages to break this resistance, I'm looking for sell opportunities here, but also here I'm gonna be selling. If I get stopped out, it's fine. Um, I know how much I'll be risking with. I'm not gonna be risking with all my capital. So yeah, with this one too, I'm also looking forward to that, and um, I can see that we have a strong support, but it's all about waiting. This game is all about waiting and seeing whether your setup will play out. It happens that your setup doesn't play out, and you don't need to change the way you trade or blame your strategy to say, my strategy sami siyaphetha sisebenzi njani. So yeah, it's what I'm actually looking forward to. I'm looking forward to sell here, and if I don't get that opportunity, it's fine. That's why I normally set alerts that price alerts me when price reaches this certain zone. I'm sorry, I'm willing to. This is how I'm going to be selling. If not, I'm gonna be selling around this area, and this will be my take profit. So yeah, that's it for me with the US 100 and US 30. And if you are interested in knowing what and when I'll be trading, you can join my free Telegram channel and the WhatsApp channel I talked about. I'm gonna leave a link down here below so you guys can join, and we can talk generally. And I normally like to also host sessions with the guys who I associate with on the the WhatsApp community. We call it the traders community. We share ideas only, more especially psychological ideas. But other than that, let me not waste much of your time. And please, 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 please don't forget to like and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That is sort of my motivation I get from you. And yeah, thank you guys. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you.